Here today I wanted to show you XtremepowerUS 10-gallon pneumatic portable air compressor. It has a 3.5 horsepower engine that powers the compressor. So here's the compressor itself. This is their stock model, I guess, I take it. So here we have the actual motor along with a little air filter. This is the oil reservoir plug where you fill it up with oil. So it is oil filled. It doesn't come with oil when you get shipped, but they do supply a bottle of oil for you to fill it with. The tires on here are plastic with a rubber outer little tire, and it also has little rubber bump stops here. So onto the actual motor here. On the side we have two pipes for you to plug in your line. On top we have the regulator. Tells you how much air you have left inside. On the side here we have the oil gauge, which is here. And on the side we have the on and off switch. And it does plug into a standard 3-prong outlet. So let me show you it. I guess it's fairly loud, but it's what I've heard from other compressors, so it's nothing to be worried about that it's too loud. It's normal. So that's it running itself. Like I said, it's fairly loud, but that's how our compressors work. They're fairly loud, especially if you have something that's 3.5 horsepower. It fills it up fairly quickly. But let me show you the connections. There's no leaks whatsoever through the connecting pipes. Here I have a hose. And it's connected. Like I said, there's no leaks. So there it is. Quick little overview of this 10-gallon air compressor.